In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment gateway to your Hostinger website. Whether you're starting a brand new online store or enhancing your existing site, integrating a payment gateway is crucial for providing your customers with a seamless purchasing experience. So let's dive into it and guide you through each step of the process. First, let's navigate to Hostinger. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for the Hostinger website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard. From here, we want to focus on the websites section. Click this option, and you'll be presented with a list of your active websites. Now find the specific website where you'd like to add a payment gateway and select the option Manage Store to proceed. From the store management page, look for the settings section. This is where all your store customization and management options are located. Click on settings and a new page will load with various options related to your online store. Next, we need to focus on the payments option. By selecting this, you will access the payment settings page. It is here that you have the power to manage existing payment options or add new ones. You'll see a connect button. Click on this and it will guide you to a new option labeled plus add. Clicking this will start the process of adding a new payment gateway to your store. Once you've clicked plus add, you'll see a range of payment options available to integrate. Depending on the provider you prefer, you might need to enter additional information or configurations unique to that provider. Make sure you have any necessary account details or API keys on hand for a smooth setup. After adding your chosen payment gateway, it's time to ensure everything is properly configured. Head back to the Hostinger homepage and click on Websites once more to return to the list of your websites. Locate your store and click Edit Website. This will open Hostinger's website builder, where you can make any final adjustments or updates to your store's design and functionality. To finalize the integration process, select the Checkbook tool within the website editor. Here you can test that the gateway is functioning as expected. Finally, if everything looks good, you might want to add new posts on your site to announce the new payment options available, ensuring your customers are informed about the expanded ways they can make purchases. With these steps, your payment gateway should now be successfully added to your Hostinger website, ready to support your e-commerce operations. Don't forget to regularly check for any updates or maintenance requirements from both Hostinger and your payment provider to keep transactions running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your online store.